In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install your Norton security product on another device. A simple task that you can complete in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new laptop, smartphone, or tablet, it's essential to ensure that all your devices are protected with Norton's powerful antivirus solutions. Let's get started with the step-by-step process that will help you secure your digital world with ease. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the official Norton website. You can do this by typing norton.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you arrive at the home page, look for a section labeled My Account. This area serves as your central hub for managing your Norton services and products. Click on that My Account option. After clicking My Account, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on Sign In and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one. But if you're following these steps, you probably already have your Norton account set up. Once logged in, you'll automatically be directed to the Norton Home dashboard. Once on your dashboard at Norton Home, navigate to the My Subscription section. It should be prominently displayed on your account page. Clicking on this section will bring up details about your current Norton subscription. This is where all your active licenses are displayed, and it's also where you can manage the installation of Norton products on various devices. Next, locate and click the Download button. This will prompt your computer to download the Norton installation program. But since you're installing the product on another device, you might be interested in another option here. After clicking Download, another option should appear. Install on a new device. Selecting Install on a new device opens up a convenient, guided installation process. Norton provides clear on-screen instructions that will walk you through the steps necessary to get your device protected. You might need to enter or confirm the email address you wish to send the installation link to, or you might simply follow links provided during this process. Be sure to check your email if prompted and follow any links sent to that device's inbox to finalize the installation. After you've clicked through these steps, follow any additional prompts that come up on your new device to complete the installation. Congratulations, your new device is now secure with Norton's comprehensive protection. With these easy-to-follow steps, you can ensure that your devices are secure and functioning optimally, backed by the reputable, powerful defense against cyber threats that Norton offers. Don't hesitate to revisit any part of this video if you need a quick refresher on the process. Stay safe out there, and thank you for watching.